Stop wasting hours manually lip-syncing your characters. I'm going to show you how to use Moho's built-in character wizard to do it automatically in seconds, and why your current method is probably slowing you down.
For proper lip synchronization, the following are the naming convention you should have in any of your character in Moho Pro. So let's look at this. Now here on the mouth layer, we have the rest, all these naming conventions, and if you look at them perfectly, you will notice that each names are different, including the shapes. And with this, Moho understand once you name your lip synchronizations like this, it properly understand it perfectly. Okay, so let's see how to do this. Now please note, in this class, besides this auto lip synchronization, so you're not going to be creating all this yourself. Instead, you'll be using a built-in mouth lip layers, whereby you can just use that in any of your character. So let's go there and let's see how to do about it. Now first, I'm going to turn off this, and let's import a new one, or properly delete this. Okay, now this character does not have a mouth. So what I'll do now is, on frame 0, I'll head over to the Windows tab, character wizard. Then I don't need all this, so I'll just move to the face. Here is my major concern, the mouth. So I have different mouth shapes which I can use. So I'll just take this one, and I can also increase the size, increase the height. It all depends, but this can be done after importing the character rather. Okay, so now for the fact that this character is just facing the front, what I need to do is to slide to the area where I could see the front, and I'll be only importing this front view only, not all the old views. So for that, then we can start working on the other aspects. So let's go ahead with that. So for this now, I will now unclick this, okay, to import only those one view, and select OK. So once that is done, you can see it inside my character. So how I'll do is to bring it out like this, okay, and try to move it to the side. So our goal here is to get rid of this mouth. So what we'll just do now is, when I open this, we have a lot of layers here, built-in character by Moho Pro. Okay, so I'll click the layer selector to select this mouth, which is this. And then what I'll do is to drag this out somewhere here. Now that I'm done with this, I could just delete this. So now I have this mouth lip in this region here. Okay, so what I can do now is to bring it inside the head layer and put it on top of the face. So this is where I have. Then the next thing to do is I can just hold down my shift to make it straight. Okay, so yeah, I can now decide to enlarge it, and to also confirm if other ones have been enlarged as well. Okay, I can see they have been enlarged, yes. Okay, so now how do we make this character talk? How do we make it flow with our audio? First, before we can do that, we need to import our audio, and to import the audio is quite simple. Just head over to your file, general import, and this is a shortcut. So general import, locate where your file is, then load it in depending on the file size. Now the next thing to do is to head over to the mouth layer where you have this, double click on it, go to the switch, select audio synchronize source, then this. So you can see interpolates by sub layer. Okay, you can turn that on and turn that off, it all depends. So what I want to do now is to select apply. So when I select apply, so after waiting for a few seconds, it was able to load, and here I already have some keyframes. These are the Visemes that was created. Okay, so select OK. So it might also take time to load, but do not worry, it would actually what come up. Once we play this now, let's look at this.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to walk and run right here in Moho Pro. Stick around, this is going to be fun. Hey guys.
Alright, so you can see that it is now what properly what synchronized into the character, and you notice when the character stop talking, it stops, the mouth stays at rest, and when the character continues to talk, the mouth would speak as well, based on different Visemes. So it is very important as an animator for every one of you to name your character in this naming convention. And if you want to know how to create these characters yourself, course tutorial which are available for my Patreon members only, please click on the link below to chat me up. I can't wait to see you on the other side. And please, if you find this video helpful, kindly please smash that like button, leave your comments, and also do not forget to subscribe. Please, if you have any question concerning Moho, please kindly leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll do my possible best to answer that question as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Do have a great day. Bye for now. One love.